We're doing the car. This is what we're looking at. This is the issue. So my fix is going to be, I'm not doing any filters. I'm going to check and top up the oil. I'm going to check and top up the coolant. I can't do that right now though because I just drove, and you should not ever try to open your coolant when your car is hot. Don't ever do it. You don't want to be one of those people. What I am going to do right now, I'm going to clean the inside, sprinkle a little bit of carpet deodorizer and let that sit before I go to the car wash and vacuum everything out. I'm going to clean the windows because for some reason, no matter like if I clean it or what, I get these water spots. You can't see, but I get these water spots that stay on the window regardless of if I clean it and wipe it down. So I'm going to do that first before I take it to the car wash, and then maybe tomorrow morning we can top up the oil and the fluids and stuff.
Got my shirt off, she can see the
I have oil, it's just really dirty, so I don't have a leak, but I don't think I can add oil to it. I got this to add to the windscreen water. This is a 2-litre bottle. This says 50 ml per 2 litres of fresh water. So we're going to add 50 ml and then just add the rest of the bottle of water. That's about it. And then I'm just going to add the rest of my water. She's a thirsty girl. I have no coolant. I mean, we could add some into there. This is what I'm talking about. This one, don't ever open this one when it's hot. Never. This is the reservoir. It's like the leftovers or the extra. This is completely empty, so I'm going to add some in here. You don't want the old girl to overheat. That's me done. At the car wash now. Once I finish here, I'm gonna go back and get a big bottle of coolant because I was just thinking it's probably bone dry and that little bottle is not gonna do anything for me. I am gonna need a big service eventually. I don't know when the last time any other fluids were done. Clutch, brake, blinker. I don't know. So I'm gonna do a quick wash. You've seen me wash my car before, but I do just need to do like the windows first. I have a little haul. Oh, should I do this now? I'm in my PJs, don't mind me. I got a mix of like school stuff and beauty maybe, I think. I got some wired headphones. The headphone jack is for my laptop, and then I have a USB-C for my phone, and then some deodorant. This is my school haul stuff. This cute little pencil case, different compartments. I got these Sharpie gel pens. They're in different colours. Regular USB phone charger. My iPad still takes that. These are just a different size tip ballpoint pen. They're black. 3 spiral notebooks. It's a laptop sleeve. It doubles as like a little stand just to hold it up a bit more. And the matching cable case. So I can put my charger in here and my hard drive. Big boy. I don't know what's in here. Setting spray, obviously. More blush. I like this one. I got a new sleeping mask and it has little indents for my lashes. It came with earplugs, but I didn't know that. This box. Okay. I got these little disposable plastic cups that I can make my iced coffee or my oxy shred or my collagen. I can really put any cold drink in here. I won't have to pay for one and I can just recycle them. They're pretty sturdy. But yeah, I got a bunch of those. I do have more things coming. I don't know where I'm going to store these. I'm going to an opening, so we need to get this done. I haven't driven today yet, so the car's cold and I can actually do things. I ended up getting the bigger bottle. And guys, if you see these, there's a type A and a type B. I picked up the type B of the big bottle and the girl at the desk was like, this is for older cars, older than like 1986 or something. And I was like, oh, my car's not that old. It's something to do with the alloy or the zinc, I don't know. Something to do with the metal. It eats away at the metal if it's in the wrong car. So make sure you get the right one. I didn't know there was different types of coolant, but there is. So anyways, I'm just going to do the coolant this morning. I'm going to get a lift to this opening that I'm going to. I'm going to drain the oil and put new oil in because I need to replace it, but there's too much in there. Oh, so we have some, I think. Oh, okay, I guess I didn't really need to do the coolant. I think I just wasted my money because I don't really think I need to be doing this. I started it so I could get some of the fluid moving around, but turns out we didn't really need that much. I'm going to check the oil while it's cold. Definitely have to drain that and replace that. Coolant's okay. I need to get it done today because I'm taking my dog to a grooming appointment this afternoon. So at least I have that for when I do need it. Turns out I didn't really need it. I think my aircon needs servicing though. I won't be doing that.
You're doing shoulder pressures and starts.
I got some more packages. I got this little clip. It's just a silicone clip thing. You can wrap your wired headphones around and they won't tangle in your bag. I got this cute little lunch bag. It's kind of like corduroy material, insulated. And I thought that was really cute. Oh, a little pocket here. Isn't that adorable? Little strawberries. I love that. It's so me. What else came? I got another double quick charger. It's 2 USB-C holes here, but one of them is a lightning cable and one of them is a USB-C. So for my iPad, for my phone and camera and everything. I already have one of these, but I wanted another one because it's so good. My last package is this cute little outfit hanger. I'll show you when I put it together. So I put it together. It's just this little outfit stand, so you can like hang your clothes here, put your shoes down the bottom, and you can hang like a bag or scarves or something off those little hooks. And I think it's really cute.